Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Capital A Trading, and welcome to what's going to be another case study, this time on the pound NZD and the euro NZD. So again, it's kind of like two pairs that correlate. We're going to see how you could have maybe twin traded this and maybe caught two good profitable opportunities. So again, if that sounds good to you, if you trade, if you take investments, hit that subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Stay up to date with the channel. Keep track of what's going on over here, especially the Sunday and Thursday videos with my Forex investments in there. So again, let's take a look at what was said on the pound NZD and the euro NZD. It will be the pound and New Zealand dollar. Now, again, remember we've got that news this week. So I want to see when that's going to take effect. So of course, the interest rate decision might be where the strength comes for the New Zealand dollar. So this is what I'm looking at for this one. It's around the 197,500 to the 198 level. I like the way Friday kind of hit into this and had a little rejection. It showed that there's maybe something there. If I just come down to a 4 hour, you might see it a bit clearer. I just want to see what's going to happen off of this level here. This is the candle that I'm actually looking at, the area that I'm marking up. I want to see what's going to happen. It's already played from this area and had a lovely drop, and it's back here struggling again. So of course, it may be a slow start to the week. And then of course, the New Zealand dollar interest rate decision that's going to come at 3 in the morning, like I just mentioned with the Australian dollar and how that works with us being up during the night. So let's keep an eye on that one this week. That's the 197,500, 198 level. We're looking to place a sell to see the New Zealand dollar strength come with the interest rate decision. Okay, guys, so very similar move. I might as well mention this one as well, the euro NZD. It's the 170 level. If anything, this one's more current because it's sitting right at the price where we want to take our entry now. So I'd say just keep an eye on the 170, 170,500 level. This is where I believe the drop's going to come from. I still believe price has got to come down here towards this imbalance. It's got to interact with this area around the 165,500 level. There's a lot of pips to be made if we can catch that move down to there. So again, just keep an eye on that level. 170 is going to be the main key number, 170,500. Again, with the news that's coming during the week with the New Zealand dollar, that may be the time when this starts to show its energy. So again, just be patient, let it come to you. 170 for the euro NZD. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we've now had a very profitable situation. This is the pound NZD. Now, what I wanted to kind of mention is the interest rate decision, which of course came around 26th of May at 3 a.m., which of course is while the New Zealand dollar's session is opening. So what I want to mention is the drop, where it's come from, the 97,500 mark. We've dropped around 400 pips. So again, what could have that been for you? So let's say you placed a risk of around £100 here. It's showing £93 with a 30 pip stop loss with a lot size of 0.60. So as you can see, over the first part of the week, around Monday, Tuesday, we had a rough drop of, let's say it got down to around this part, around 138, around, let's say 150 pips. So the first part of the week, you've risked your 100 quid, and now you're starting to see that, okay? You've now seen almost 500 quid, 468 to be precise. It's now decision time. Now, remember, the interest rate decision's coming, which may fuel the trade to make it even more profitable, which of course it did. Now, if I just flick back, this has now dropped around 400 pips, okay? So if I again go back to that calculator, remember 150, it's going to be worth about 500 quid. So as you'll soon see now, that's what you would have right now at this stage, around 1,250 quid after 3 days of placing an investment. Now, this is on the pound NZD. I did mention to take a trade on the euro NZD as well, and it's pretty much the same thing. I mentioned that 170 area. It came up to it early Monday. I think it was during Sunday night, Monday morning. It was happening around that area. And of course, what I wanted to mention is this interest rate decision here on the 26th of May at 3 a.m. You'll notice that the New Zealand dollar gained some strength and shot away, making the trade very, very profitable. So again, it's about understanding what news is coming up, what news events are going to fuel what. And as you can see, we got the timing perfect here, and the trade's still going into profits. So again, keep an eye on them Forex Weeklies that are released on Sunday. There's some very, very good little diamonds in there. Okay, guys, so that was the case study for pound NZD and euro NZD. As you can see, two very profitable situations, almost a capture of 1,000 pips. So again, guys, if you trade yourself, if you take investments, keep an eye on the channel, hit that subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Make sure you catch Sunday's Forex Weekly. That seems to be where all the diamonds are sitting at the moment. Again, guys, a quick shout out to the Absolutely magazine. Go and check that out in Waitrose and M&S stores nationwide. With that being said, I'll catch you on Sunday.